students, today we will study the tenses. Look at the board, please, all of you. I may be asking you questions. Present simple tense use, this tense is used to express silence, please. No efficiency. I will check your efficiency. I will cross check your efficiency. Don't worry. When I may be asking you some questions, some tenses, your efficiency that will be checked. Okay? We use it for habits. We use it for daily routine. We use it for general truths. We use it for permanent situations. Habits. I clean my teeth every morning. That is habit. Clear? This is the example of habit. Go to school. I go to school at 8 a.m. every day. That is routine. That is routine. I go to school at 8 a.m. every day. That is routine. Clear that? We use present, simple for general truths. For the sun rises in the east. Have you got any other example of the general truth like honey is sweet? That's a general truth. Sky is blue. And sky is black at night. Clear? So that is general truth. Salt is?
Grass is green.
Grass is green, yes.
The star shines.
The star shines. Okay. Next one, permanent situation. I live in Karachi. That is permanent situation. Clear? I don't want to say. Anyway, some shouldn't be relaxing. I don't want to study that in my permanent situation. Next one. Affirmative. Affirmative means simple sentences. Clear? I, we, they, you, Aslam and Akram. So we use first form of the verb over here. With I, with we, with they, with you, with plural. Which form of the verb? Only first form of the verb. No addition of SRES. Urdu is written over here. No need to read it. Clear? Ending is te hai, ta hai, te hai. That is the Urdu ending. Clear? So that is, I go to college, you go to college, we go to college, you go to college, Aslam and Akram go to college. Clear? Stop it. Okay, see? With I, we, you, they, we use first form of the verb. Only first form. I go to college, you go to college, we go to college, they go to college. Aslam and Akram go to college. Clear? With these pronouns, we use first form. Clear? And with he, she, we use S-R-E-S with the first form of the verb. He. Make a sentence.
He goes to school.
He goes to college. She
cooks.
She goes to college. Hurry up. And it. Zainab. It goes to college. It rains or it goes to college. Clear? And Aslam goes to college. Clear? He goes to college, she goes to college, Aslam goes to college, Akram goes to college. Clear? So, how to make the negatives? Again, with these pronouns, I, we, you, they, we use do not to make the negative sentence. I, we, you, they, and I think plural, we use do not. I, somebody raise your hand. I do not go to college. You? We do not go. Aslam and Akram do not go to college. Clear? So negative is clear. How to make the interrogative? Oh, does not. Use of does not. Clear? With he, she pronouns, we use does not to make the negatives. With he, she, singular. And he, you, he
go to college.
He does not.
Do he go to college?
He does.
He, with he pronoun, make a negative sentence in present simple.
He does not. He does not go to college.
He does not go to college. She
She does not go.
does not go to it.
It does not go to college.
Does not go to college. And Aslam
Do not.
does not go to college. Clear? No interrogative sentence. Do I, we, they, you, Aslam and Akram go to college? Mean with all these we put do in the beginning or does in the beginning, we make the interrogative. Do I go to college? Do we go to college? Do you go to college? Do Aslam and Akram go to college? And then does? Yes, does? Starting with does.
Does she go to?
He?
Does she go to college?
Does she go to college?
Does he go to
Does he
college?
go to college?
Does it go to college?
Does it go to college?
Does Aslam go to
Does
college?
Aslam go to college? Did you clear? Is it clear for you? Clear? Next one. Next is present continuous tense. Focus here. Focus the camera here. That is present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, subject plus is MR plus ing form of the verb. Clear? We use is MR plus ing form of the verb. With is, he, she, it pronouns are used. With am, I pronoun is used. With are, we use
He,
we,
she.
you, and maybe plural. Clear? We, you, they, and plural. Clear? Again, he is going to college. She is going to college. And it is going to
College.
Aslam
Going.
is going to college. He is going to college. She is going to college. Aslam is going to college. I
I am going to.
am going to college. We,
Are going to college.
you,
Are.
you are going to college. Aslam and Akram.
Are.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Now that is simple one. Now negative. After is MR we put not. We use not after is MR. She
Is not going to.
is not going to college. It is not going to college. Aslam
Does is not.
is not going to
Is
college.
not.
Clear? And I
Am not.
am not going. We
Are not.
are not going to college. You
Are not going to.
why? Anyway, they are not going to college. Clear? Aslam and Akram.
Are not going to.
Now put is MR in the beginning.
Is Aslam going to college?
Is
Is she going to college?
going to college?
Is it going?
Is
Is
it going to college? Is Aslam
going?
going to college? Clear?
Am I going to
Am I
college?
going to college? Clear?
Are you going to college?
Are you
Going to
college?
college?
Are Rahila and Asma going to college? Clear? So is it clear right now?
Yes.
Negative, interrogative, simple, all are clear. Where do we use present continuous tense? We use present continuous tense for the actions that are in progress at the moment. Do you know any actions that are in progress at the moment?
We
What
are-
we are doing right now?
You are teaching.
We are studying
You will tense.
tenses. We are studying English. This is present continuous tense. The action that is present at the moment, the action that is continued, that is still continued at the moment of speaking, that is called present continuous tense. You are on the seat, what you are doing? You are on the chairs, what you are doing? We are sitting on the chairs. What you are doing? There is action of sitting. And you are doing something like this. What you are doing?
Thinking.
We are understanding English tenses.
Yes.
We are understanding English tenses. We are thinking about English tenses. There are many actions that are present at the moment of speaking. They are called present continuous tense. Next one, that is present perfect tense. What is the present perfect? Here it is, sloppy writing, bad handwriting. Anyway, it's okay, no issue. This is the structure. Subject plus as plus third form. B3 means third form of the verb. Clear? Again, pronouns. He has gone to college. She has gone to college. It Aslam gone to college. I have gone to college. We they
Have gone to college. Have gone.
have gone to college. Aslam and Akram
Have gone to college.
have gone to college. No negative. After has, have, we place not. Clear? He has not gone to college. She it has not gone to. Aslam has not gone to college. I have not gone to. We they have not gone to college. You are not gone to college. You have not gone to college. Clear? Aslam and Akram have not gone to college. Now has and have in the beginning.
Has she gone to college?
Gone to college.
Has she gone to college?
Has it?
Has it gone to college? Hasn't gone to college.
Have I?
Gone to college? Have we gone to college?
Have they? Have you?
Gone to college.
Have Aslam and Akram?
Gone.
Is it clear?
Yes.
This was present perfect tense. And it is used for action that is completed. We have studied English. Action completed. We have finished present perfect tense. We have finished present perfect tense. Action that is completed. Is it finished or not? Clear? So that is completed action. Next one is there is present perfect, I think, continuous tense. Continuous tense. It's a long story anyway. Let me tell you where is the structure. Here it is. Clear? He, she, it, singular, and there is with has we use same pronouns. We use only. Plus he, she, it has has plus in plus ing plus since of part. Where do we use since? For a point of time. For a point of time we use since. Since morning, since evening, since midnight, since 2 o'clock, since 3 o'clock, since 5 o'clock, since 2005, since 2022, since 2021, since 2000, since January. Clear? And for 2 minutes, for 3 hours, for 6 years, for 9 minutes, for such a long time. Clear? Since long. We use since long, okay? Now you have to make the sentences. Like this sentence, how will you make the sentence translation? He has been studying. And she has been studying since morning. It has been working like a machine. It has been working since morning or for 2 hours. Clear? And singular Aslam
Has been studying.
has been studying since morning. And how will you use for? Aslam has been studying for 2 hours. Clear? Next one, that is I with the you plus plural. I one by one. One by one. Raise your hand. I have been studying since morning. How will you use for? 2 sentences every student.
For 2 minutes, I
have been studying for 2 minutes. Wait, hurry up. Wait for a minute. Wait for 3 seconds. Yes, you. We have been studying since morning. We have been studying for several hours. They have been studying since morning. They have been studying for 3 days. Aslam and Akram have been studying since morning. Aslam and Akram have been studying since midnight. Clear? Then there are interrogatives. Negatives. Use not. After has have been.
Not.
Use not. After has have.
Not.
After has have use not. Okay. That will be negative. Then interrogative.
Have
in the beginning.
Have Aslam not been studying for
Has Aslam not been studying since morning?
morning?
Okay.
Or have she not
Has she been?
not
Has she been studying since morning? Has she been studying for several hours? Clear? Have we been studying English since long? Clear? Or have we been studying English since 12:25? Clear? Since 12:25. Or have we been studying English for so many days? Clear? That's what the present perfect continuous tense is. We have covered 4 tenses. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.